So I'm officially back on YouTube, and this time I'm here consistently. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Deborah and I'm the creative director of Debz Clothiers. And on this channel this time, I'll be teaching sewing, fashion design and practical tailoring skills. Yes, I know it's been a while from teaching about natural hair, how to care for your natural hair, styles that you can actually do with your natural hair. Well, I still have my natural hair, but I don't post videos anymore or that much about it anymore. But once in a while, I'll share videos or tips on how to care for your natural hair. Well, life happened, growth happened, work happened, but one thing never changed, and that is my love for actually teaching things the right way. But this time, I'm going to be channeling it to sewing and fashion design tutorials. So I'm officially back on YouTube, and this time I'm here consistently. On this channel, I'll be sharing step-by-step fashion design tutorials, how to draft, cut, sew, and neatly finish female wears, sew them the right way. I'll be sharing beginner-friendly fashion tutorials. I'll also be sharing about mistakes that tailors make and how to actually fix these mistakes. Also, I'll share about fashion business and tips for fashion designers to actually earn better. So whether you're a beginner, whether you are a self-taught tailor, a fashion student, or a fashion designer, then this channel is actually for you. So if this sounds like something that you're going to be interested in, please do well to like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that when I post the next video, you'll be the first to know about it and you would not miss it for anything in the world, because you actually do not want to miss that video. Now, my next video is going to be on how to make a neatly finished and crisp shirt collar. So if you've been struggling with making a shirt collar, you've had difficulties in neatly finishing your shirt collars, you've had problems in making very crisp shirt collar, then my next video is definitely for you. I'll be sharing practical tips on how to neatly finish and make a very clean shirt collar that you would never ever go back to your old methods. I guarantee you that. Turn on that notification bell so that you would not miss that video when it drops. Thank you so much for being here and welcome back to Debz Clothiers on YouTube. Let us sew confidently and beautifully together. All right, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Like I said, you do not want to miss that video for anything in the world. All right, I'll see you. Bye.